So faded, I need a retreat. It's too hot, I can't take the heat. Still faded, I can't feel my feet, but my hands still need eyebrows on.
What's up YouTube? It's Kay, and I'm back with another tech video. I'm bringing out them bangers all week long, back to back, just for you guys. Today this just arrived. If you watched my last video, I'm gonna drop that in the link. Go check it out. It's the Luminex G85, which I am filming on today, and that's where you hear the audio from. I couldn't find not one review on Amazon nor YouTube on this specific brand, make, and model. So I'm like, let me just do one for the people. So right now we're recording out of the camera, and I'm not mic'd up. I usually have my mics on. It's just straight audio from the camera right now. So I'm gonna do a little test, set it up, see how it works. We're gonna get back when I'm all hooked up and ready to go, and I'll let you know how it sounds. But first, I'm just gonna open it up, see what's in the box. You got your manual, so let's open it up. Regular stuff, instructions, which I'm probably going to need. So yeah, let me get in the box. It came with this. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm still doing that giveaway, so let's not slack off on that. Gotta get these numbers up. This is what's in the pouch. I believe a mini mic with the, I think, 3.5 mm. So that's in there. I believe this is to mic to camera. Another auxiliary 3.5 mm. So yeah, I think it's just camera to mic or camera to phone, because you can use your phone camera and, if I'm not mistaken, something else. Phone camera, I'm missing one. Let me look at the back of the box. There we go. There's the phone camera and like a sound pad type of receiver. What is this? External device. Excuse the horns outside. So this is like a UHF receiver, UHF transmitter. Ooh, tongue tied. And yeah, so you can connect it to multiple devices. That's a good look. Let's see what's in here. This is little wind muffler. You have a nice land guard, and here's like an amplifier converter to like a, I don't know, a guitar. You do music, something like that. USB type C. You guys could tell, keeping it fresh in here. Nice thank you card. This actually feels amazing. Like, I don't know what kind of material, type of carbon fiber. Keep that. Now let's get into this actual UHF transmitter. AVF. I actually read up on it. The power is for power. So if you see that light blinking, it indicates it needs to be charged. You can connect it in here. Sorry about that. This is another one. This is the receiver. So you got the transmitter, receiver, and then the transmitter. And on the transmitter, you can see the ports, volume up and down, auxiliary port, and then I believe the magnetic force for the clip, which is here. So you put on like so, and that's a strong hold. I'll do like one more time for you guys. I ain't want to clip, make your ears ring, but yeah, here's another one. Let's clip this. Very strong force. I like that. You clip it on your shirt, jeans, and you're good to go. And this is just like one directly for the camera, I believe. The camera. So I believe this one is directly into the transmitter, and it should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out. We're gonna be doing that audio from this mic when I come back. Stay tuned, drop a like, drop a comment. I'll be back. What's up, you guys? Okay, I'm back. I got every receiver and the transmitter charged. I wasn't sure if I was doing it right the first time, so luckily I did a test run and I watched the playback, and I didn't hear absolutely anything. Well, I heard it, but it was from the camera. I'm about, give or take, 5 feet away from it. Let me know if you can hear me nice and good. I don't have the wind camera. And let me know how this sounds, guys. This is the microphone AOKEO. I can't get that pronunciation right. Drop in the comments if you know how I'm supposed to say it. And this is the audio microphone. Very limited far as being weirdos with cords hanging out. Like I would put it in my pocket, and I know mad people staring, but I'm rambling on. So let's get to the next sound test with the telephone, well, cell phone. Sound like my grandmother. Connected to my phone. It's a regular Android device, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We're gonna get this hooked up. It comes with the wire labeled phone to make sure. Let me get that to focus. I don't know why it's not focusing right now, but yeah, phone wire, so you don't get confused, because, and I had the ends put in the wrong way, and they will not work if you don't have the right ends put in the right way. So forgive me if I sound like I'm all over the place. I'm just like piping hot trying to record this for y'all with no AC, but I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. As you can see, well, you can't see, but this is the next morning. I made a few mistakes last night while recording. I forgot to show you the audio before I plug in the mic and after. So this is before me plugging in the mic to my cell phone. I did it for the camera already. So right now this is pure Samsung Galaxy Note 10 audio. And now I'm going to plug in the mic and let me know how you guys think this sounds. Okay, this is straight out of the microphones. I got everything connected. Let me make sure they're both on. Yes, they're on. Let me power up the volume. I can move around a little so you're just not staring at a box this whole time. Oh, these are the tripods. I just set it up, see which one I like better. And I've had this all along, and I think I like this one the best. This one came yesterday from Amazon as well. And this came with the camera. I'm just going to talk so you can hear. You know, if you're going to be on the go, or you want to see if it's mobile, can you chit chat and talk and walk it like you talk it at the same time? I think it's going to do fine. I didn't mean to rhyme, but that's the lyricist in me. So yeah, this is a sound test for the AOKEO audio microphone, professional outdoor indoor recording equipment. So I guess professionals can use this as well to do music, wireless, portable, clear recording. And I'm gonna move around a little bit so you can see the fluctuation, if there is any. This is the tripod we spoke about in yesterday's video. Go check that out. I took the cam off so I can get to uploading this video. But like I said, I couldn't find any video on this particular microphone. There were similar ones, but not this one, and it really irked me because I just had to take faith and go with it. But I'm glad I did, and pretty happy about it. Now I'm gonna close out this video. So let's get back into what is in the box and what comes with this for about, I think, $40 or 41. I'll drop the link in the description. So again, you get the piece for like an amplifier, guitar. You guys, you musicians know what I mean. The land guard, I don't know what you could particularly use this for, but comes in handy for something. I think just like a direct mic into it. That way it could just be clipped straight up under your neck versus the wire that I'm using. You get, oh no, I think I lost the instructions. Yes, I did. I might can catch them. A nice little leather pouch to keep all your items in. And what else? Oops, did I drop it? Yes, I did. Okay, guys, so I actually didn't drop it. It was like right here in my face. I'll attempt to show it again. Right here. And I actually saved the instructions. You know, gonna need that. I know I did. Follow directions and you'll be just fine. And it comes with this nice 1-year warranty. So shout them out if you have any issues. I know I will. Pause that, screenshot it so you can get all that info. It comes with it labels the phone and then microphone wires, which piece to plug in. I found that very helpful. And last but not least, a Type-C charger. I'm pretty sure we have dozens of those now hanging around the house. So that concludes this video. There is one thing I would mention. As far as the cell phone, I wish I could show you, but I'm using it right now. Maybe I can. I have it clipped to my shirt right now because yesterday it was clicking against, I guess, my hand with the magnet making like this clunk clunk sound. So I suggest for all you phone users who are going to be using this to just clip it closer to your shirt and just, you know, you may be able to get an extended auxiliary to have it on a tripod or just stretch it out on a selfie stick, but it's going to make this type of nagging, clicking noise from, I don't know if it's the clip or the magnet, and you're not going to just hold this with the, you know, transmitter receiver in your hand. So that is one recommendation. It may work or may not, I'm not sure yet. I'll probably do an update in a couple of weeks or who knows, but I'm pretty much using it strictly for the camera, so we will see. And other than that, it's a great camera. I just wish the cord was a little longer far as phone usage, because that's like the #1 way to film these days, especially for us millennials and Gen Z and people who don't really want a camera every day, traveling with them to vlog. But other than that, this is in tip-top shape and it's AOKEO and I approve it. I am Cash K and I approve this product. I will not steer you in the wrong direction, guys. I got you when it comes to these tech reviews. You know, check out my other videos. I got plenty more coming soon, so stay tuned. I took a whim on this and just winged it because there were like 3 verbal reviews, but not like physical audio testing. And I'm just glad I took a risk, and it could have been crappy and very cheaply made, but I feel like this could hold up for a couple of years, you know. For new YouTubers beginning, you're on a budget, you can't afford the big fancy schmancy mic sets, get this one. You will not be sorry, I promise you. I really like the quality of it. It's rechargeable and you can be on the go. So with that being said, if you want more tech reviews, tap that like button, drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We're doing this 500 sub giveaway. Yes, giveaway. I'm giving away some free money, gift card, and a care package of your choice. Male or female, you just choose what you identify as. Comment "I'm first" when you become that 500th subscriber. You can screenshot it so I could match the time steps, or I could just immediately get that notification. I'm on my phone. I check with you guys. So we're going to get this going, and that wraps up this video. Until next time, peace, one love, and I'm out.